It all starts with site surveying. A well-executed geophysical and geotechnical site survey is crucial for reducing risks, optimizing design, and ensuring the success of offshore wind projects.
We developed this course because we strongly believe that there is a lot to gain from getting more knowledge about the site surveys, how they are executed, why they are executed, and when they are executed.
We developed this course to equip renewable energy professionals with essential knowledge of planning, executing, and reporting site surveys. In this course, you will learn to link acquired data to foundation and cable design and installation activities.
The course is for professionals within the offshore business, and it's also for newcomers, but it's for those that really need more information on how a well-executed site survey will change their project. Come join us at the Renewable Construction Academy
to advance your knowledge and build a fulfilling career in one of the fastest growing industries. Welcome to the Renewable Construction Academy.